Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Trillant token. Now the Trillant token just got listed on CoinMarketCap. Ticker symbol is TRI. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that. Just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So this token just got listed on CoinMarketCap, like I said earlier. So you can get this token off a central exchange. According to CoinMarketCap, this token is listed on xt.com. So you can download the XT app from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store, or go to xt.com on your PC, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search TRI, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. Now, they do have an Etherscan listed on CoinMarketCap here. I was just looking at it, and it says only 18 holders, which means that this token is not listed on Uniswap, even though it's an Ethereum token. I do not see any Uniswap trades at all on here. And yeah, it looks to be like one of the only places here, most likely, is xt.com. 12 decimal places on this token. There's a max total supply of 50 billion tokens. Token price right now is sitting at about 18 cents per token. You can find their official webpage here listed on CoinMarketCap, which is Trillant.com. You can find a full white paper on here, and it's a very extensive white paper. It is 30 pages long, very extensive. They also have a Twitter listed on here, Telegram, and GitHub as well. Price chart and contract address. So it says Trillant is a revolutionary community-driven cryptocurrency investment ecosystem founded and built on blockchain technology. So on their webpage, it says it represents the union of technological progress and digital networking that is taking into account the most innovative assets on the blockchain. Trillant is an alternative to the existing financial system. It enables people to regain control of their finances and is created exclusively for self-managed money, which is not controlled by traditional institutions. Trillant is a global community of individuals and businesses. The entire structure is trained in the tried and tested concept of affiliation and thought of as a we, and that is created, which inspires a true team spirit. So it says Trillant, the value token, the TRI token, represents the cryptocurrency financial instrument utilized for staking and generating weekly profits. So you could stake the token and get returns. The title Trillant also has the dual meaning of representing the Trillant ecosystem as a whole. They also have a stablecoin. It says Trillant stablecoin, TRIL, is an 11 stablecoin that is backed up by tethered to the US dollar. 1 TRIL equals $1 US. And then it says Trillando. Trillando is the integrated Trillant marketplace solution that offers added value and opportunity to the market participants. Marketplace users are connected via Trillant blockchain, making partnerships universally transparent, tamper-proof, and easy to implement. So Trillant's marketplaces solutions positions and empowers all parties to focus on their core competencies. Trillant creates transparency, sustainable economic success, and long-term partnerships by connecting members through the Trillando marketplace and integrated blockchain services. Successful participation in today's global market demands strong sales expertise and business development fundamentals. Traditional business operations require interactions with multiple independent service providers, which significantly complicates business processes and increases the risk of error. Trillant's complete solution approach positions all parties to focus on their core competency. So they have the e-commerce, which is Trillando. They have the stable pay coin, which is the TRIL stablecoin, which I talked about already, and the value token, the TRI token. So Trillant is transforming the world of finance, moving at the speed of the internet and free of traditional regulations. Trillant offers an integrated commerce solution, efficiently saving you time and money. So, within the ecosystem as well, they have the exchange, the currency gateway, members, which are affiliates or passive members, customers, who are the consumers, and merchants, who are the businesses. And it says, we are witnessing the most powerful and revolutionary economic change of all time. We are now on the verge of a global financial breakthrough. Talks about how they are perfect timing with the DeFi revolution, attractive compensation, gain control, and independent ecosystem. The Trillant value token is the central investment instrument of this whole ecosystem. You can buy and hold it. There is staking options. There's long-term staking. It says, in long-term staking, Trillant tokens remain locked for 52 weeks to stabilize token value and ecosystem sustainability. 52 weeks, basically they just should have said a year. But if you want to do short-term staking, it's basically like 4 weeks, you can earn 1.5% term yield. 9 weeks is 3.5% yield. And 26 weeks is 11% term yield. And yeah, 50 billion max supply total tokens here. And besides that, they talk about the stablecoin being pegged to the US dollar. So their decentralized finance is all about speed, stability, simplicity, and sufficiency. Banking reimagined. Invest, payment, and exchange. They go over the whole marketplace here on their white paper. A lot of stuff there. There's affiliate partners. They go over their market strategy, the revenue sharing model, traditional affiliate models, all that type of stuff, challenges and solutions. So much info on here. And they're going to have the mobile applications, the Trillant Messenger application, and the mobile wallet application. The roadmap here starts with the launch of Trillant Bank Office, then the marketplace, Messenger app, independent exchanges, CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap, security audit. You can check all of this out by just finding this token on CoinMarketCap, ticker symbol TRI. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section. What do you guys think about Trillant? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box and get yourself some free crypto. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.